with the euro pairs. So now what's left is the and you can see them, you can plan them. You can see the Aussie Swiss, you can take it also on the short side. You can follow the same procedures. I'm going to do it with the euro. I'm going to do it with the Aussie dollar, because the Aussie dollar is going to be the one that's going to trigger all the other selling points in the Australian dollar. So even though the dollar capitulated on Friday, okay, even though the dollar capitulated on Friday, and you can see it on the intraday here, see the capitulation in the dollar, but whatever it sold off, it made it back towards the end of the session. So that is a sign of weakness in the Aussie, and you will be looking now to be shorting the Aussie hold on, I'm having this thing upside down. I mean the Aussie strengthened towards the end of the session. I just stand corrected. But now it's coming back in again. So basically with the dollar capitulation all of Friday, I mean this has been a nothing day. It capitulated, the dollar went strong, and it came back again. It's basically a nothing day. So we need to have some clarity, if you will, on which way the dollar and the Aussie is going to be moving. So I have here my momentum highs. This is what 177.96. So right now as it stands, I do have a sell signal on the Aussie. So I'm going to buy it above when it gives me a buy signal. The first buy signal I see 170, 107.74. So 107.79, that will be the first buy signal. Wow, we have it from last week, 107.90. So we're going to leave it as the same, it hasn't changed. And the short is 160.80, which is again this low over here, which is pretty much the same. My structure long is the 108.86, is the same. My structure short is the 104.59, which is the same. Now we only have to change is the stops and double check the stops. So if I'm buying it above 107.90, I have to put the stop below the market size. So this is going to change, going to get a little bit wider stop. So this is going to be 32. And if I go short below 106.80, I can go short below the 107 actually, because that's going to be a structural failure like the upside down. So my short is going to be the 107. I'm not going to wait until the 106.80. Okay, and if I go short at 107, then my stop is going to be the 107.47. That's going to be my stop. So my short stop is going to be 107.47, and and the long stop I'm buying it at 107.90. I can use the market side as my stop, which is the 107.32, and my structure points are the same. Okay, so this is the Aussie dollar. I did it because it's not appearing from the, let's see if I can, it's not refreshing. Okay, now it's refreshing. So we're going to buy above the 107.90, and the stop is going to be the 107.32. So I'm risking about 60 pips on that trade. I'm going short below 107, and my stop is 107.47. my long structure point is the 108.86, and my structure short is the 104.59. Okay guys, that is the